Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view shared links in a group on the Telegram app. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, I'm going to open up Telegram app on my PC and I'm going to click on this Telegram icon. Alright, and then you can choose the group that you want to view the shared links in. And then for example, I'm going to select this group and then we can click on the group chat's name. Okay, and then if you want to view the shared links or all the links that you have shared in the group, you just need to click on this menu. And these are the links I have shared in this group. And that's so simple. And on Telegram mobile, you just need to do the same. Just click on the group chat's name and then you can click on shared links and you will be able to view all the shared links in your group chat.